How to send Bitcoin from Cashapp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send Bitcoin from Cashapp. So first of all, just open Cashapp in your smartphone, and after that on the home screen you will see this option called USD in the middle. So just click on it. From the drop down, just click on Bitcoins. As you can see that my account is brand new and I don't have any Bitcoin in my wallet as of now. So in order to transfer Bitcoin from Cashapp, you need to add Bitcoins in your Cashapp account. So for that, just click on buy Bitcoin and enter the amount you want to buy and click on next, and after that enter your other details, and once you enter all your details, your Bitcoin amount will be added to your Cashapp account. And once it is added, and all you have to do is just select the amount that you want to transfer in Bitcoin and just enter the cash tag or the name of the person you want to transfer the Bitcoin and enter the amount and just click on transfer. So this is how you will be able to send Bitcoin from your Cashapp. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.